USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar USDN. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. Go and join the free Telegram channel. You want some free signals right now and then check out the brokers and the platform right here. Okay. Right. So subscribe, like, you got that. Join Telegram, you got that. And then sign up with the brokers, because if and when you trade with my signals, I want you to trade in a separate account with my signals and my signals only. Clear? Subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly, what do we have? Weekly, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, new highs created. So cool, right? So you can see this high is broken, new highs created. That's what I meant. I have to give you the clarity as well, right? This high is broken, new highs created. So we are in the uptrend new weekly, but weekly doesn't really matter much, because let's see what's happening in Delhi. In Delhi, we have closed above the EMA, couple of candles. Okay, what happened last time? The difference between last time and this time. Okay, so last time, this was the time when the downtrend started in Delhi on 6th of February. Okay, so this was official, as you can see. On 5th of February, we started the downtrend in USDJPY, and then we never went up. Okay, last time you went up was on 12th of May. Now the difference is, I'm giving you this cheat code, whatever you call it. Until and unless 2-3 candles are not close above the EMA, we don't consider this as a trend reversal. Okay, so here on what was the date? 12th of May. 12th of May was the date when a lot of people thought that euro is going to crash and going to come down. And I was one of the people. I said, no, hold on, euro is still going to go down. It's been more than 40 days, euro is still going up. Okay, so this was the candle which confused a lot of people that this USD might be going up. Okay, but no, until and unless you don't have 2 or 3 candles closing above the EMI, that is not the confirmation of the trend reversal in daily time frame. I'm talking about daily chart. Price closes above the EMA. 1 candle, don't enter long. 2 candle and 3 most. Okay, so I think this time 1 candle has broken the EMA. Then 1, 2, 3 candles have closed above the EMA in daily chart in USDJPY. I think this is the confirmation of the trend reversal for me. Here we had only 1 candle, then we dropped massively, and a lot of people must have lost the money in this trap. Okay, but when you break the EMA towards the upside or downside, you need to see 2-3 consecutive candles closing in daily chart below the chart or below the EMA for downtrend, and above the EMA, like in this case, for the uptrend or the trend reversal. Okay, so looks like to me we are officially in the uptrend now, because 3 candles have closed above the EMA in daily chart. Nobody will tell you that. Okay, all right, fine, no problem. Entry. Yeah, you know what, guys? You don't appreciate what you are getting for free. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's my fault that I am giving this for free. The time will tell, and the time will make you pay, or make me, something I'm doing for free right now. So maybe I will consider myself idiot in the future, or maybe you will regret that. Oh, why did he stop doing it? He was doing so, good job. Okay. Anyways, coming back to the topic here. So pull back, new high. All right. It's no rocket science. Pull back and then enter long after the blue candle. Okay. I think this might easily carry on going up on Monday, because on Monday, the US market is the last market to open. Before that, we have IUD market and London market and Japanese market, which will open. So it might be possible that we might have another blue candle which will take down, which will make a new high around 146.70. Maybe, the dollar will carry on going up another 50-60 pips, and then it will start pulling down. And after the pullback is completed, you will have the blue confirmation candle, and then you will enter long. So in short, enter long after the pullback. Use the JPY. Okay. That's all like for you. If you don't like my hard work, don't watch my videos. If you like it, then subscribe, like, share the video, join the Telegram, blah, blah, blah. Remember, guys, this is the last video I'm recording for Sunday. I'm not doing this for myself. This is not something I'm doing for nobody who makes a YouTube video, they don't do this for themselves. It's for you who is watching the video. I am not teaching myself technically. I know it. I already know it. It's coming from my mouth, from my mind. Okay, so I am not recording these videos for myself. Am I? This is for you, for public. Okay, So your duty, your responsibility, your job is to support the channel. Otherwise, I will have motivation to shut this down. I will be so motivated to start giving this for free. I don't have any obligation towards anybody, okay? So subscribe, like, share, blah, blah, blah. Do your job. If you're getting thousands and thousands of dollars worth information for free, then at least do your job. I'm not begging anybody here, okay? You are getting information for free, thousands of dollars worth. So I'm not in debt, you are in debt. So do your job, subscribe, like, blah, 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 whatever you have to do. Because I can't subscribe to my own channel. If I could, I would not ask you, okay? So do all of that, subscribe, like, join. It's only for your own benefit. I hope you understand. So I'll see you when I'll see you. Thank you. Have a good day.